can always see the name. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually going to be talking about the fact that Supreme is doing another collaboration with TNF for Supreme Spring Summer Week 3. That's where we're going to be seeing release. I feel like the collaboration is actually pretty fire. I love what they did with it. It looks different from the other ones, and we are going to talk about it in detail today. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, man, get this video to 200 likes. Go ahead and smash that down below. Also, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And I'm also going to be getting back to doing post notification shout outs, so go ahead and spam post notification gang, and one of you guys will be the winner of the post notification shout out in tomorrow's video. This video is also sponsored by Addict IO. They are a bot for iOS, which I will cover a little bit further in the video, but without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Okay, so what we typically do is we start from the top of the list, talking about the most hyped items, working our way down to the trash dookie pieces. But I feel like this collaboration low-key is pretty concise, and some of the items on here are super fire. I would love to get my hands on them. At first, all the way at the top for the RTG North Face collaboration, we do have the fleece jacket, which is going to be releasing in 4 different colorways. We got like this neon red color, this neon green, which is actually fire. We got that black and yellow, which I really do love, and we got the all black, which you can't go wrong with. I feel like resell wise, I would definitely go for the green or the red. I don't know why, but those are the ones that are calling my name. I just feel like the black one, they always do, so it probably won't do the best when it comes to resell. But then again, a lot of people love black and you can't go wrong with it, so it is the safe color. But as far as this jacket go, I can see the retail being anywhere upper 200s, lower 300s, and probably nothing more than that, because once again, it is a fleece jacket. I love the colors on this though. If I'm being honest, this seems like another solid TNF collaboration. They didn't do snakeskin, none of that metallic other bullshit that they were dropping. This is actually a clean iteration of the collaboration. Slight bars. We're gonna go ahead and talk about the second piece, which is the RTG jacket plus the vest. I honestly thought there were gonna be 2 separate pieces, but when it comes to this piece right here, you get the actual jacket with the vest on top of the jacket, and you could also take the vest off and wear it on its own, which is super fire. I'm honestly gonna consider going for this piece right here, but one thing that is gonna probably deter me from buying it is the price point that it's gonna be at. Prices are gonna be steep on this shit. I can almost guarantee you that it's gonna be at least like 650, 648, maybe 700. That shit would make me not buy this, but I feel like it is a dope ass piece to buy nonetheless. I love the colorways on this. If I had a TNF from Supreme, I would go for one of the more exotic colorways, but since I don't, I would honestly go for the all black one, everyday jacket type shit. I love this piece right here nonetheless. As you guys know, Supreme TNF is probably one of the most hyped collaborations from Supreme season, so the fact that they're going to be releasing these dope ass jackets from the collaboration, it's definitely going to be hard to acquire some of these pieces unless you have Addict IO. I personally played it retarded last Thursday and I canceled my tasks because I'm like, yo, I should be able to get it. The stock is probably going to be huge, so I wanted to get it on the live cop, and that was the biggest mistake that I ever made because they actually ended up cooking on the Air Force Ones, which is crazy, bro. I should have just left it on. So for this week, I'm definitely going to be using Addict IO. A lot of people who took my advice and got the bot actually managed to cook, which is super awesome. So Addict IO is probably the most reliable and the fastest iOS bot. They cover over 85 different stores from Kith Palace, Supreme, Bape Undefeated, Fear of God, just a whole bunch of stores. They have the most advanced technology, so when it comes to buying, it's a piece of cake, to be honest. There's also no renewal fees, so you pay the price, it's $130, and that's it. You keep the bot forever, and if you don't have $130, you can even split the payment into 4 different payments, which is not that bad. You can also use my promo code ASTRO for 10% off of your order, and if you think about it, you buy this bot, you get a hyped piece, you sell it, you made your money right back. Everything from there is profit. They've had success on some of the biggest drops from Supreme, including including the box logos from last season, and they even cooked up on week 1 and week 2. There's a bunch of success, but some of the features included in Addict IO is the fact that you can run unlimited tasks. They also give you the keywords for Supreme every week. It's updated. They also have a Discord, which if you have any questions, you can go ahead and join that. On the Discord, it's much like a cook group, to be honest, and it's free once you purchase the bot. They show you all the restocks. They show you the latest news when it comes to these different releases. Even if the Supreme website goes to shit, which we all know happens almost every week, the bot will still get through because it is request based. They have Pookie Bypass, which if you guys don't know, that is Supreme's bot detector. But if you guys are interested in Addict IO, make sure you go ahead and use my promo code ASTRO for 10% off, and I'm gonna link them at the top of the description. But without any further ado, let's talk about the rest of these items and get straight up out of here. So we just covered the fleece, we just covered the jacket including the vest. I feel like the vest itself is so fire, so it's like, bro, you're paying for both of these pieces when they could have separately sold them. It's kind of a bummer, but hey, it is what it is. Next up, we got this RTG balaclava. This shit, bro, I don't know what you're doing with this. This is like a military hat. Low key, this is the coronavirus mask right here. This is the cure to all your problems. All you need is this right here and you'll be set, bro. Supreme will protect you. All you need to do is cover the little holes and you'll be alright. You're not gonna breathe the fumes of these people. Like, you're gonna be okay if you just get the RTG balaclava. Trust me, corona will run away. Like, it will not want no problems with the RTG, especially if you get the dark green color. You're set, bro. Like, they're not gonna come for you. Corona will run away. That's a guarantee from me to you. Just trust me on that one. Corona don't want parts with the RTG dark green. I'm telling you. Next up, we got the missing puzzle piece to the corona protector. I'm telling you, we got the gloves right here. You don't even need to do much. You know how they were saying wash your hands and shit? Nah, just wear these gloves and you good. Like, corona will not surpass these gloves to your fingertips. Like, you gonna be set. All you need is these gloves right here. But all jokes aside, these shits are alright. To be honest, I'm not in the market for some gloves right now. Like, that's not what I'm trying to do. So I'm good on these, but the branding is on point. It's nothing over the top. If these shits are anywhere over $40, they're smoking dick. Like, I'm good on this piece right here. Next up, we got the RTG backpack. This shit is so clean to me because it's like 2 backpacks in one. It has like an over backpack, then it has the regular backpack. This shit is so clean, bro. I've never seen this before, but the fact that you can take a backpack off the backpack, technically 2 backpacks, this shit gonna be like $400. I'm not gonna lie to you, but it looks clean. I love the black colorway simply because it's simple and I would probably use it way more than the other ones, but it is a fire piece nonetheless, bro. They coming out with a turtleneck. They coming out with the get sexy out here. Let's talk about it. We got the dark green turtleneck. What you gonna look like walking out with the dark green turtleneck, bro? All you need is the dark green turtleneck, some skinny jeans, and some black Air Forces. You are the final boss. I'm telling you, like, you are killing it in these streets. If you wear the black Air Force Ones with some skinny ass track pants that got the little stripe on the side and then the dark green turtleneck, bro, you're good. Like, you're gonna get all the hoes. But all jokes aside, this turtleneck is kind of a vibe. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. If I was to buy this, it would definitely have to be the black colorway, but I'm not gonna lie, bro, my neck is kind of thick, so it's like that shit gonna be like one of these on my neck, so I'm not really trying to do that too much. If I'm taking the L on everything, y'all might see me walk out with a little turtleneck action. Don't judge me. Just don't judge me. It's gonna be okay. But last up, for the North Face collaboration, we got this utility pouch, which is probably literally like my last case scenario, or like if I can't get the jackets or the backpack, I might fuck around and end up with this. And I feel like this shit is puny. I feel like it's even smaller than this right here. I really hope it's not, because that shit is small, but it's not that bad, bro. I would honestly get like the black and yellow or the all black just to say I bought something. To be honest, it's nothing over the top. I guess it unfolds and you could put your cards in it and shit like that, but it's nothing too bad. It's not too good either, but it's not bad. I thought that was the end of the collaboration, but we do got one more piece, which is the dumbest shit that they could have done. This is the RTG tee. They literally threw the vest that's on the jacket on a tee. Why couldn't they just come out with a whole different design? Like, this shit is beyond my imagination. Like, what is this supposed to be? Like, at first I thought this was like an actual vest on a shirt. I'm like, alright, cool, you get a vest when you buy a shirt. No, the shit is printed on there. Like, what are you supposed to do with this, bro? They ran out of options. Low-key, this shit is fugazi. like if it was all black, it would still be ass. Like I don't understand the point of this shirt right here. They got a vest on a shirt. It's just not it, bro. It's not it at all. Like not one bit. They should have let that shit just stay where it was. But honestly, I'm seeing a couple more pieces from the lookbook that are set to release. I don't really want to talk about it on this video because I feel like these shits changed. Last week the drop list changed like 2 to 3 times, so I don't want to get it wrong. I'm gonna low-key dedicate this video to the TNF, and then tomorrow, if you guys get this video to like 200 likes, I will drop the full drop list. If not, I might have to wait till Wednesday. Let's see the reception. But if you did enjoy this video, slap a like on it down below. Comment what your favorite piece that's releasing is. Make sure you check out Addict IO if you are trying to secure TNF or have better chances to secure. Use promo code ASTRO when you do buy it, if you do buy it. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Click those post notification bells and you will get a shout out on tomorrow's video. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.